Hi everyone, it's Chris Pappas here. Tuesday marked 60 years since President Johnson signed landmark legislation that created Medicare and Medicaid. Granite Staters continue to speak out about the importance of these foundational programs because Medicare and Medicaid matter to each and every one of our families. They ensure that hardworking people can get access to the care they need at a cost they can afford. And they support hospitals and nursing homes in communities around the state. They keep costs down throughout our healthcare system. Now, the big ugly law that President Trump and House Republicans passed devastates these programs, taking away health care from 15 million Americans and triggering $500 billion in cuts to Medicare. The reality is that this has a very steep cost for impacted families, for our healthcare centers, and for communities, especially our rural ones. On Tuesday, I hosted a listening session at Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center in Manchester with local health providers, patients, and community members to hear directly from those who will be impacted, both providers who deliver care and patients who receive it. On Wednesday, I went to Derry and met with Parkland Medical Center leaders and staff about how Medicaid cuts will affect their ability to serve their community. And on Friday, I visited Health First Family Care Center in Franklin to speak with them about these cuts. There's real concern that our health centers won't be able to absorb the cost of care for the now much larger portion of Granite Staters who will be forced to go without coverage, and that this could result in cutting back on services, staff, or even closure. So I'm grateful for all the ongoing work that they do to meet the needs of Granite Staters, and I'll continue to listening to leaders like these in the fight to protect Medicare, Medicaid, and all the other issues that we're working on in Washington. And on Wednesday, I heard a virtual town hall here directly from folks across the state. If you missed it, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. So thanks everyone, have a great weekend.